Will inverse fair value gaps save me, sir? Will they save me? Let me know if the mic's too loud, guys, because I have no idea if it is or not. Let me know if the mic is too loud so I can change it. Yo, what up, Ahmed? Okay, there we go. First here, yes sir, yes sir. Just starting it up. Could you just make sure you have context to inverse fair value gap, because that's your biggest problem. You don't have the context most of the time. Yes sir, correct. No, that's I've been working a little. I've been doing a little bit of something. Hopefully it works out. This is a brand new back testing session, so starting off with zero balance. I've been inspired. What up, Nick? I've been inspired, guys, by Dodgy. It's time to start trading inverse fair value gaps, because fuck it, why not, right? You know, it's been tough staying in the matrix. It's been tough, so I thought having a picture of Dodgy right next to me would help me. Let's see how the stream is looking first. Yes sir, back testing session. Yes. All right, that's perfect. How much do you make off affiliate codes, bro? You not that much, bro. I'm not. I can't even lie. Not even that much. I could lie, but there we go. How much to make a month? I don't, bro. I don't make anything, bro. Bro, what are you doing with my hair, bro? My hair is like, it's just the angle, bro. Just the angle. What Discord's for you? Wait, whose Discord for you? Try, none. How are you short? How are you short? Dang. What? What? AA bands, bro. Bro, flexing a picture with Dodgy, bro. AA bands. You should have been at the event, bro. I would have taken a picture with you too. But we're trading inverse fair value gaps today, bro. Inverse fair value gaps, bro. Dodgy did not convince me. I was like, know what, bro? Like, I met with him, bro. Cool guy. Like, it's time to like start trading inverse fair value gaps. Every time I see you always change your strategies, you need to stick with something else. No, okay, let's play. Let's true. Everyone's been waiting. All right. So basically, I kind of just go on the 1 minute. I'm not going to an event with LARPers and 90% of those people who make zero money day trading, bro. Okay, fair enough. Honestly, everybody there, like, they definitely made money. I can't even lie. A lot of people there did make money. Tyler, what about user? If you call me daddy. All right, daddy. All right, let's play. All right, basically, I'll just wait for like a 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see. During the New York session. Let's see. Can we get it? All right, let's see. We just inverse this gap here. All right, perfect. Okay, so right now I'm kind of just waiting. Looks like we are in this 30-second fair value. There's this 1 minute. We're in this 1 minute fair value gap here, right? Well, this 1 minute fair value gap. Drop down to the 30-second. Do we have? Okay, perfect. Okay, we inverse this gap here, right? We're about to inverse this gap. You can literally just target this, right? You can go like this, and then like this low should get taken out fairly quick. All right, this low got taken out. Nice, right? Stop loss to break even. All right, broke even. That's it. There's only one person who you hung out with who's legit. Dude, who? Like, bro, Ale, Cole, not Cole. Like, so many people were there, bro. Why not retest for? Why not wait for the retest? No, it's just like, it's not like we don't have to retest the fair value gap. You know what I mean? So that's why I just entered. All right, let's keep waiting. Right? This is like a scalp. This is literally all this is just scalps, like quick scalps. Right? So look at that. We're inside this 1 minute fair value gap right here. All right, we can buy here. All right, we just inverse this 1 minute fair value gap here. Right? What do we have? A high here. All right, so see, like, drawn liquidity's hit, right? Go break even. Or no, my stop loss can go here still. I want to see this fair value gap here hold. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. Let me lock in. All right, hold on. It was cooking earlier. I can't even lie. It was cooking earlier. All right, hold up. So basically, like, okay, so we're inside of this. I want to use the most recent fair value gaps, right? So the most recent fair value gap is this one, right? So let's see, 30-second. Can we get this inversion? All right, we can buy here. Wait, actually, I want to see how this closes first. All right, I'll buy here. Now my stop loss is here. This is my pivotal point. So right now, what are my targets? Like, we have like this high up here. Let's see what happens. I want to see this pump from here, because this is the whole leg. No fucking way. Oh, you've got to be kidding. What? Okay, hold on. What's still here? Nice. Nice. Oh my gosh. W's. Like, here. Nice. Oh, fuck. Bro, you gotta be kidding. Bro, see, like, look at that, bro. That's actually so annoying. Like, I wanna implement it on, like, the high time frame, right? I want to implement it on the high time frame, bro. That's actually crazy. See, like, you got to be trolling. You see what Epstein said, right? No, just your friend. Stop loss, stop profit, take loss, bro. You know it's over when you revenge trade and replay, bro. Chill, bro. It's a scalp. It's a scalp. High time sweeps, inverse for value gap. He's in probable whilst backtesting, bro. I'm trying, man. Okay, what is considered high time frame, bro? Like, what time frame is considered high time frame? Oh, Prince Charles is in here, chat. First problem we're having is your haircut, bro. Chill. 15-minute plus. All right, okay, watch. All right, we'll wait for 15-minute sweeps. Okay, so look at that. We sweep out this 15-minute high. What do we have here? Do we have an inverse for value gap? No, we don't have an inverse for value gap. Now, this fair value gap down here is still holding us up. I can't even lie. High time frame sweep, fair value gap. Okay, hold up. We're taking out all this liquidity. All right, looks like we might be bullish here. I can't even lie. All right, I'll buy here. Stop loss at this low. This fair value gap here should hold, right? Why should this hold, right? We have a 15-minute fair value gap down here, a big 15-minute fair value gap here. Drop it down to the 1 minute. We have a 1 minute inversion fair value gap here. This should hold. Yeah, see, this should hold. This should hold. This should hold, chat. You guys know me, bro. Inverse fair value gaps, or I created inverse fair value gaps, bro. Like I created like inverse fair value gaps. I created inverse fair value gaps, bro. What is it? This is backtesting. This is backtesting because like I blew my fundeds, bro. Dodgy mentored you inverse fair value gaps? No, yes, he did. Type shit. He did mentor me. What backtest website? This is what backdating? This is FX replay. Aidenomics, what up, G? What up, G? How are you, sir? Why did you blow your fundeds, bro? I fucking blew my fundeds, bro. Are you profitable? Yes, I am profitable. I just lie. I'm a big liar. Like, bro, I'm down 2.3K this week, bro. When are you joining a Signal? Bro, I thought about joining a Signal Discord, bro. What do you guys think? All right, let's see. Yo, what is this? Okay, we have a high time frame sweep. We have these inversion fair value gaps. All right, perfect. No, this is good. This is good. This is good. We have a high time frame sweep. Check. 1. We have all these inversion fair value gaps. Honestly, I saw Aidenomics video saying like you don't need to wait for inversion fair value gap. If your stop loss is protected, then it should not go back to that place, right? But guess what? Like, I don't know if like I don't know. You know what I mean? Okay, so we inverse all these gaps, right? So where's my take profit? This low. Yo, this low is crazy though. This low is crazy though. All right, let's see. All right, perfect. Break even. Type shit. Yo, we're up. We're up, chat. We are up. Dude, the thing is like inverse fair value gaps, like the RR is just like not there for me, man. Oh my god. See, like now we get stopped out, bro. Like, bro, see, like, it's just like one of those things, bro. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth it or not. The thing is, like, I guess like I could filter out like my trades for sure. I could definitely filter out, like without a doubt. I pick up those broken pieces till I'm bleeding. All right, we have a high up here. I want to see us take out these highs. Wait, actually, that's not even high, bro. I'm tripping. All right. I want to see price come up to... This is my drawn liquidity up here. I want to see price come up to... Okay, so we're tapping this drawn liquidity. Do we have an inversion? Okay, no, we don't have an inversion. All right. Nice. Nice. All right, let's see. We have... Thank you, Ghosty, for the 2 wink winks. And thank you, Chris Corcus, for the rose, bro. You should go back to the review your backtesting video with Ken. That video is gold. Dude, it was a good video, but like that only works if you have like a good bias, bro. It only works if you have a good bias, bro. Yo, at this point in your trading career, you have to take signals now, bro. Type shit. I think I might have to. I thought about joining Matthew Scribner's Discord group. I'm not even kidding. Dude, I think you should get a mentor. It will speed the process up your process. Perhaps. Use standard deviation, please. Bro. Standard deviation doesn't work, bro. Fuck it. I said it. I said it. Standard deviations do not work. They do not fucking work. Alright, look at this. We're inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. We have a 1-minute inversion fair value gap right here. I'm buying. Stop loss is like here. And then like take profit could be like this high. Oh, this should hold though. No. Bro, tell me this isn't a good trade, though. We literally inverse these gaps. We're coming inside of a 15-minute fair value gap right here. 1 minute inversions. Like, bro. Yo, what up, Parker? What up, little G? What up, Parker? Let's go! Parker, thank you for the heart means, bro. We're back. The bias is bearish. How are we bearish when we pumped all this way? We pumped 200 points. It doesn't make any fucking sense, bro. It genuinely doesn't make any fucking sense. Deadass. Oh, fuck. I missed an entry. Oh. Like, bro. Enter here, this inversion for value gap. Hey, bro. Do you know Eddie? Yes, I do know Eddie. Yes, I do know Eddie. He's hard time from your guide. Alright, bro. It's time to join a signal. It's time to join a signal Discord group, bro. Fuck it. I'm done. I gotta actually I gotta actually like make some money, bro. Deadass. I have like hella Discord groups. Hold up, let me see. No, I'm being so serious too. I think it's time. I think it's time to join this Discord group, bro. It's $300 a month, bro. $300 a month for Discord groups. What do you guys think? Buy it and document it. Yo, that's so tough. Buy and document it. But what if like he's actually a terrible trader and then like I expose him? This is Matthew Scribner's. $300 a month is crazy. Do you sell a mentorship? I do sell a mentorship. All right, guys. How about this? I might just like start selling a mentorship of like doing the opposite of what I do, bro. Deadass. Like. All right, let me lock in. Okay, could just have context like sessions, highs, lows, sweeps, SMT 1 minute fair value OCS here. Example. Do you use TradeSync? I do not use TradeSync. I use Alpha. Who are you giving $300 to? The premium Discord. Is FX Replay better than TradeZella? Honestly, I've never used TradeZella, so I have no opinion on it. All right, let me lock in. Okay, so daily here is bullish. The daily is bullish, right? I think that's a good thing if I have this here. What up? Let me make it look good first. All right, this is good. All right. The daily is bullish, right? Go on the 4 hour. 4 hour is the 4 hour bullish or bearish? The 4 hour is bullish, right? We're like the 4 hour is bullish just by looking at the structure, right? 4 hours bullish. Drop it onto the hourly. Hourly is bullish, so we could just look for continuations to the upside. We're bullish price action. I want to see buys here. I want to see a sweep of liquidity or something that can give me confidence that we're going to go higher. So we come down, take out this low, sweep out this low. Do we have an inversion fair value gap? Okay, no, we keep going lower. We have SMT divergence between ESN and Q here. SMT divergence between ESN and Q here. Do you have an inversion fair value gap here? Yo, what is this, bro? All Alright, honestly, we could take this long. Oh my. Okay, I'll take this long right here. Big displacement. Everything here looks good. There we go. There we fucking go. Yo, is my bias wrong? Why is bro flexing dodgy? Bro. I thought bro moved out. Nah, bro. I'm too poor for that, bro. Get your profitable friends to mentor you. Put dodgy in the bag. Who's worse, him or Timoth? Alright, bro. Alright, let me lock. Bro, I can't, bro. I'm actually so bad at trading, bro. Like, I think it's time to realize that I'm actually bad at trading, bro. And it's time to buy, like, a mentorship. Q, please wait 15-minute session highs, lows. Wait for sweep. Then schedule 1 minute. Wait for. Okay, hold up. Let me see. Let me put on my session indicators. Alright. Where are my session indicators? Okay, perfect. Alright, we have a sweep here. I'm waiting for inverse fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap. No. Oh. This is the fair value I'm looking for to get inversed. No way. I want to see this fair value here get inversed because we took us London lows. Alright, let's buy here. This fair value got inverse. Stop loss at this low. Oh, we took out this high. Shinobi, motherfucker. Thank you, G. Let me lock in, bro. Bro, inverse fair value. Oh my gosh. Yo, I actually can't. Let's Shinobi in. Alright, hold on. Let me log in.
Yo.
Hello.
Alright, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can, bro.
Alright. Go to your fib settings.
Okay, hold up. Go to my fib settings. Oh wait, wrong thing. Okay.
Holy dog ass. Alright, save your fib settings.
Okay.
Okay. Now get rid of the OTE ones you have on there.
The 7.5 and the 6.2, right?
Yeah. And then get rid of all the 0.25s you have.
0.25s.
Yeah.
This one. Okay.
And do you have -4, -4.5 on there?
-4, -4.5, yes.
Okay. So you see at the start, what time frame is this?
This is the 1 minute.
Alright, go to the 5 minute.
Alright.
Alright, so you see that market structure shift? For that change of state delivery right at the high right there?
Yes, right here.
Yeah. So mark out the deviation from the high to the low of that. No, a little higher.
A little higher.
To the left candle, the red candle.
This one?
Right there. Boom. There you go. Now, you see how there's a low right there on the left?
This one?
Yeah, that we swept.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's about to get swept. So you would limit the -1 there. All right. Now, right here, your stop would be already break even. Now, let it play out. And then you would just hold it to the previous high there. Or you could stop break even like that. Gay.
You already can't say that out loud.
Oh, my bad.
We're gonna get banned,
My bad,
bro.
my bad. I forget. It's okay. I'll host you next time.
Alright,
If you get
bet.
banned. All right. Scroll over to the higher time, or scroll more. I can't see, dude. Why do you have so many? Why do you have so many ads on here,
Ads.
bro? Use my code to save me from poverty, and it got dodgy up here.
I'll move it right, guys.
All right, I can't even see the chart. All right, so let it play out. What session is this? New York.
Yeah, New York. This is like 11 o'clock right
Okay.
now. 11:20.
All right. So what you're gonna do is mark out the 10 o'clock candle open.
10 o'clock candle open. All right. Let me see. Where's that?
Yeah, 10 o'clock, 10:15, and 10:30.
10:15.
Mark all those out.
And 10:30.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now let it play out. Just let it play out until like 12. All right. So go to market open. Where's market open at? 9:30.
Market open. It is right here.
Okay.
9:30.
So you see that change in state of delivery off those two green candles?
This
Right before the big drop?
This one?
The opening one.
Yeah, right here, right?
Goes to the left?
Oh, right here. Right here.
All the way up top. All the way up top.
This one?
Bro, hold on, I can't see. Yeah, those two green candles.
Yes, I see it.
So draw it from the high. Boom. Now draw it to the low of the wick.
Okay.
All right. So now scroll back a little. Okay, so there's literally no previous lows to go off of. So here you would go on to like a higher time frame, like an hour, 15, 30, 1 hour, and see if there's any PD arrays back there or any lows
It's like
around that area.
Like we have.
So just mark out all those lows. Mark out the low right there as well. All right, now go and then mark out that. Yeah, I don't think that's past max expansion, but you see that first fair value gap there too?
Yes, this
And
one.
just mark that out as well. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So that's past max expansion on the 5 minute at least. All right, now go back to the 5 minute chart.
On the current one, right?
Yeah. So it's either you're looking for it to sweep that low and bounce off the 3.5 or sweep that low and bounce off the 4.5. So now once it gets there, you would just look for like a 5 minute inversion or a 5 minute CISD, and then you would take it for the upside. Or you could limit it and be ballsy like I am, but for you, I wouldn't recommend it yet
Okay.
until you build up some
confidence.
Yeah. All right. Schmack it.
Longs.
Hit play.
All right. Let's see. Oh.
Oh no, you missed the longs would be at the 3.5 right there.
Okay. Okay. I got you. All right. Let's see.
And if this is NQ,
It is.
I would have like 5 micros with a 30-point stop, or you could have 1 mini with a 15-point, but I don't recommend it. So it wouldn't have smacked off the 3.5. And if it goes past the 4.5, no, you wouldn't. If it goes past the 4.5, then that just means it's going to be an overall
bearish.
Overall bearish day.
I see. I see. So are you just waiting for a price to sweep out the low and then bounce off these levels?
Yeah, so it either sweeps a previous low and bounces off a deviation, or it's going to bounce off a previous PD array to the left side.
I see. I see. Hold up. Oh, shit.
By the way, 4 is considered max expansion as well. 4 to 4.5 is max expansion. But if it goes past 4.5, then it's usually just going to be a trend. That's when I just don't trade at all.
So we're tapping this. So I want to see price bounce off of here. So
yeah, you want to see an immediate reaction. If it doesn't immediately react, then the play is trust usually, and I just get out. So there you go. Your stop would be that low immediately then. With this, you immediately move your stops up like pretty quickly to the lows.
okay, so let's just...
I mean, you would have been tapped in at that candle low. Like that's where your entry would have been all the way down.
Oh,
there.
I see. I got you. Hold up.
Yeah. So if you could place a limit. Also, why are you using FX Replay? Use Trade Zella.
Trade Zella? I've never used it.
I'll get you a free membership if you want.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, bet. Say less, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got tagged here.
And then your stop loss would have been that low already. And then just to protect downside.
Yo.
And you would have trimmed that high if you have more than one contract. That's
This
why you
one?
always go micros. Yeah.
Yo.
If you're going 1 mini, you should be going 10 micros. So you would have trimmed half there. Your stop would be break even. And then you just let it play out to the OT of that entire downside move.
So it would be like this 5 or this this.
So from market open, yeah, from there, market open.
Okay, so it'd be right here.
Yeah, it would be the OTE of that entire move. So at least the 50% is what you would target off this trade. Or you're going to get stop break even. One or the other. Then you would have got tagged out break even. But overall, that's why at any sort of like previous high, the main thing you always want to do is just fucking trim half and then move break even.
I see. Wait, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're basically just drawing your fib and then marking out like are you just marking out liquidity or you're like marking out fair value gaps also?
You're marking out fair value gaps as well, like relevant ones. So you're not going to mark out a fair value like if we're overall if we're trading above the 50%, you're not going to mark out those. You're going to mark out the ones that are only in like discount.
Okay.
And then usually the best ones are the furthest ones that created the move. So it's like if say we had a bullish move, you would mark out the first fair value gap. That's the first one you would do. You wouldn't just mark out every single fair value gap and limit every single one.
Yeah.
So you would mark it, and that's just for any sort of trades. Like the best fair value gaps are the ones that start the initial imbalance that started the move, because that's where buyers took over the sellers in the first place, right?
Right.
So
correct.
here, what you did is you marked out previous highs and lows, and with those previous lows, if the market's gonna like turtle soup it, you're gonna be able to catch it off a deviation. Now do this. Go to the 5 minute. You're on the 5 minute already. Go to midnight price.
Midnight price. Okay.
Where's midnight open?
Should be here.
Okay. Now draw out the last leg before midnight open.
Last leg. Okay, so
Yeah.
would it not be this right here? This high to this low?
Yeah, it would.
Okay, let's make it sure.
So draw out the deviation from not that candle, that entire like sequence. From that previous, all the way from there down, and then draw it all the way up.
So like this, right?
Yeah.
From the high to the and then all the way up too.
Yeah, it's that way. So now you have two areas to look out for. So you see how it went and it bounced off the 3.5?
Yes.
So then what you could do is draw. You see that like sequence of green candles we had right after?
Yes, right here.
That entire leg, you could draw out another deviation from there. So from the high to the low.
From this low or this low right here.
The bottom low, the first one.
Okay.
Boom. That's the leg. Now you see how it reacted again off like the 2.5?
Yes.
Did it tap into it? No, it didn't. So it didn't tap into that one. So look at, dude, Dodgy's face is fucking blocking the rest of the price action.
I got you, bro. All right, right here.
Yeah. So move to the right a little bit. All right, you see how, all right, zoom out a little. You see how it reacted off the 3.5 again?
Yes, right here.
Yep. So then you can draw out another deviation from that entire bullish leg right there. From that high to that low. Boom. And then you can see where it reacted again. Look at where it lined up with the 4 and 4.5. And then that marked the bottom there.
Oh, wait.
As well.
Oh, wait.
So that's basically.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense.
What you're doing is off the midnight deviation leg, you're able to pretty much, wherever the first reaction is, and by the way, if you look at all the 3.5s, they were probably at like previous highs and lows that were like liquidity areas. But after it tags into one of the deviation levels and like creates another leg from it, or like a sort of a reversal, you could use the next leg to draw out another deviation. So that way you have a deviation every day from midnight all the way up until the end of New York.
I see. So you're drawing this deep, like even so after the bounce off the deviations after midnight, you are just drawing the next. So once it taps that -2 or a slight reversal, you're drawing the next leg from the high to the low that tagged the 2.
Exactly.
I
So it goes.
see.
Yeah, so that way you get like I call it like you get like consistent deviation levels, and you could see when the deviations start to stack up, like at that 4 and 4.5,
Yes.
right? That's like a sort of like a higher conviction area where it's like, okay, like that's where market would be max deviated, because deviations at the end of the day are just like how far is the market deviated from where it should be trading.
Oh,
So
okay.
4.5, if it starts stacking up like that, that's usually means for a reversal. So let the price action play out again. Draw out that 4.5 on the bottom.
4
Not
point.
that one, the one to the previous one, right there.
This one right here. This high.
No. Like we already have a 4.5 right above
Yes.
that fair value gap. Little to the left.
This one.
No, we're not drawing a new one.
Oh,
We
okay.
already have the 4.5. I'm just saying draw a line on it so we can see it.
Yeah. I got you.
Yeah, that one. All right, let it play out. Bunch of LR being created.
Okay.
Taps into that furthest fair value gap. But this is the area where like I would be like, okay, if it doesn't bounce or hold this area, this market is just going to continue down for the most part.
Okay.
Yeah. So you could have low key limited that right there, that 4.5, and then your stop would be at that low.
Okay. So okay, let me go back. Okay, I'll just buy here. It's fine.
And always when you're trading deviations, there needs to be an immediate like reaction
Mm-hmm.
off the level. If there's not an immediate reaction, then the level's usually chuzzed.
I see. So you would have entered here, then your profit target would have been like this high.
No, I would have trimmed at that first fair value gap all the way up there. Like to be honest, because like otherwise that risk reward just doesn't make sense.
This one up here.
At least the 50%. Yeah.
Okay, of this
You
right
usually
here.
want to go for the 50% of the range as the first area, because usually most times retracements only happen to the 50% of the range. But if it's moving off the 4.5, it usually is a reversal.
Okay, and then you would have
So there you go. You would
trimmed.
trim, and then your stop would be break even.
Yo, this is some sauce. I'm not. I can't even like. I've never
There you
heard of
fucking
this.
go.
I've never heard of this.
So like I mentioned, the 1 to 1.5 is usually just retracements. It'll just retrace into like the 50% or like OTE. But then 2 to 2.5 is like a reversal. It'll go to a previous high. And then 4 to 4.5, if it goes there and it bounces, then it's usually an entire trend reversal. But if
Yes,
it continues through the 4 to 4.5, it's usually like trend continuation.
I see. So you just want to see like an immediate reaction, but like, what makes you like? What gives you the confidence to like just long the limit? Like,
Because I also use order flow as a confluence, but I don't think you would understand that yet.
okay,
So I would be looking for like multi-volume nodes. I would be looking for previous areas of absorption, and then sort of looking at things like that to sort of be confident to limit it. Since
right.
if it's like a previous low or there's a PD, if it's a previous low and there's a PD array there like we just had, then I'm extra confident because I'm like, okay, those are two areas of confluence, and then there's probably a multi-volume node on previous candles around that area, and then it just makes it that much easier to go. And then usually when if you're looking at the what's it called? The footprint charts, you'll see tons of absorption happening at those levels.
I see. I see. No, I tried to get into like footprint, but it honestly got very confusing.
Right now, bro, like footprints just wouldn't work for you just because you're still like not profitable. I
Right.
wouldn't recommend. It's just adding too much into the mix right now for you. I think once you get like a few payouts on just strictly price action and sort of understand it better, then you can start incorporating order flow as a
I
confluence.
see. I see. Now that makes a lot. That makes a lot of sense. Wait, no, because that's okay. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So,
Wait, let the thing play out. Let's see if it
all right.
where it goes to. If it goes and stops break even though it's the Asia session at this point, you would have been out. I want to see if that marked any sort of bottom.
Oh shit. Oh.
So as you could see, it did mark the overall bottom
Oh, shit. Okay.
I mean,
Still,
you went into like
yeah, that was been a good trade. No, that's I see. So okay, I gotta note that down actually. As soon as we tap this, so like right here, the last leg of midnight on the 5 minute chart, correct?
yeah.
Okay, and then you're watching it to see if it bounces, like a slight bounce, like right here, and then if it
If
goes back.
if there's a previous low, like say it's a previous low, it's the first deviation after it if it's not too far away.
Okay, okay, okay. And then you would draw from here. So like I have a question. So like if you see this one right here, it tapped the 3.5, right? But then
Mm-hmm.
it it went up and then went back down. But then it
Mm-hmm.
tagged this -4 standard deviation. Would you have drew from like this high here,
No,
or just kept it
because
from?
once the first deviation already bounces, and then I get my next deviation, it wouldn't be considered like, oh, it bounced off the 3, then the 4. I would have already drawn out the second deviation from the 3.5 bounce.
Okay, okay. So like the okay, no, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I see. Yo,
All right, I'm gonna go.
all right,
Peace.
bro. Peace, bro. Yo, that was actually some sauce. I can't even lie. Yo, I never knew that. I never knew that. So that's how these people be drawing their standard deviations, bro. Shinobi's super nice, bro. I can't even lie. So like, okay, okay, these are the fib levels. I remember that was some sauce. I can't even lie. These are the fib levels. Okay, so now, so the last leg of midnight. So go on the 5 minute chart. Mark out midnight. The last leg before midnight. The fuck is this? Yo, which one's the last leg? Yo, which one is the last leg, bro? Like this just looks like chop. So last leg. Oh, I forgot. All right, next day. All right, let's do next day, bro. That was cooked. I'm not kidding. Even lie. That was cooked. Okay. We'll go. Okay. So right here, mark out midnight. Last leg. So it would be like from here to here, here to here. Okay. So what do we do? What do we do? Go in the 5 minute. We bounce off. Uh, hold on. Let me go on the 15. Or let's go on the 5. Actually, we redo everything on the 5. So we tap -2. We tap -2 here again. All right, okay, now, okay, perfect. Now, go on the 15-minute chart. What do we have? We have no PD erase to our left. So, like, this high, we're probably going to tag this high and then go lower, right? It only makes sense. Drop from there. Wait. Okay, you're right here. Yeah. Right here, right? Yeah. -1. Oh, -1 was the first. Oh, I see. So this one right here. This one right here. Drop from this one. There we go. Okay. So we have previous daily high here. Previous daily high connected with this high here. Okay, perfect. Now, we just wait. We just have to wait. Wait, there's nothing here to my left. No, I didn't forget. Okay, so we could honestly limit this area here. Oh, wait, no. I want to see price. So I want to see price. Hold up, Winnie. I'm doing something right now. Go away. I gotta do something right now. Close the door. Goodbye. All right, so I want to see price tag up this liquidity and then react instantly off this -3.5. We have previous daily. Okay, we went lower though. Because we tag negative. Yo, no, we tag negative 4.5, and then like reaction, and then break even would have been like valid here. Yo, no, wait, no. No. That makes sense. I mean, we're not gonna win every trade. We're not gonna win every fucking trade. All right, like it's just how it is. It's just how it is. What's up, bro? I am locked in. No. I got it. So, let's go again. Mark out midnight opening. 5-minute chart. Mark out midnight opening, which is here, right? Now, what is the last leg? Where's the last leg? This last leg is kind of like killing me, bro. Mark up from both sides. All right, next negative 1.5 was the reversal. It means it's just a retracement. So like we would mark out from this to this. So you would look for longs here. Oh my gosh. No way. I didn't forget. I didn't forget it. Wait. Oh wait, we tapped this -1 here. Oh no, we never reacted off of it. Tag this level. This would still be our standard deviation here. Oh my goodness. Did I just like I didn't forget. I swear I didn't forget. I swear I didn't forget. Right here, boom. Last leg. All right, I think it's gonna be continuation day, guys. I think it's gonna be continuation day. Oh my. Yo, hold up. Okay, we're coming down to this -2. Okay, so perfect. Do we have any liquidity to my left? Oh, look at that. We have what do we have here? We have this low here, this low here. Let's mark out this is the case. All right, I want to see immediate reaction. We're probably gonna bounce out. We're probably gonna bounce out the 2.5. I'll limit this. All right, perfect. Come on, risk reward has to make sense here, chat. All right, of this range, OTE of this range. All right, or midpoint of this range. Okay, that's where we want to like start to potentially trim. Stop loss is at this low. Fuck. Okay, we tapped this level here. No way. Okay. All right, we have to sweep. Okay. Where's the range here? Of this range here. I want to see price come up to 50% mark of this range. So like this right here. Boom. Boom right here. Yo. Yo. Okay, I gotta lock the fuck in. What is happening? The trend is down, bro. But where are standard deviations? You're actually buns? Just like Eddie, could you drop the fib levels? We couldn't see them. It's super simple right here, yeah. Bro. Q, let me in the stream. Let's see. Hello?
Q.
What's up, bro?
Bro, I'm in the bus right now. I just finished my game.
Did you win?
Nah, we lost by a little bit, but yo, let me backtest a day from my phone.
All right, one day.
Let me rip it. All right, just go to like a random day, and I want to see if I can cook.
All right, this is a random day.
Okay, go to the 4 hour. Let me see what we're working with. This is 4 hour.
Yeah.
Let me see what's to the left. Like more left. Okay, go to daily. Okay, I like this. I'm bullish. Go to hourly. Alright, we have hourly CSD as well. Okay, there should be a 15-minute fair value gap as well that already got retested. Yep, it already is. So, draw a line where that soup happened in the 15-minute. Yeah,
Right here?
that one that mitigated it. Yeah. No, the other one. The one that mitigated the 15-minute.
The one that mitigated the 15.
No, the 15-minute. Yeah, that one to the right. The way to the right. The one that it mitigated. Yeah. That one. Yeah. Draw a line. Okay. Go to the 5-minute. Okay. I like that entry right there. Just go to the 1 minute and just play it out. Let me go to the 1 minute. Go to the 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. One or two things is gonna happen. We're either gonna sweep that low. Okay. Go to. You see that 30 low, that 830 low. That 1 minute that's mitigated. Okay. Yeah. Mark that out. That mitigated the 1 minute. Yeah, that one. And then last one is the fair value gap that we have right above that low. So those are 3 levels.
This one right here, right?
No, not that 1 minute. No, not that. The close one to the where price is right now.
Oh,
where price is right now. Yeah. The one. Yeah. Okay, and just like see how price reacts off those levels. Then you have one last level at the bottom. Scroll down more. Yeah, the low. That low to the left. Just see how price reacts. You're not entering on anything, but I just want to look for reactions. All right, there's your like reaction off like your level, I guess, and then like so one like you have your entry at like that 1 minute CSD. If it like the 1 minute CSD is paired with like the 1 minute fair value gap, so like that level cooked. Obviously, like you don't trade how I do. I would have entered off like the rejection. So like I guess like, well, are you trading what are you trading, IFVGs or what are you doing?
I don't know.
Dude, so okay. Just, is this what we're trying to figure out?
What's that?
We gotta get like a set strategy. Because Kim taught you everything you needed to know.
No! Yo.
Nah, we gotta get you like a set strategy, bro.
You know,
Just one.
No.
One set strategy.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna stick to inverse value gaps, bro. Bug it.
Wait, what do you mean? Didn't you just start trading IFVGs?
Yeah. I can't even lie.
What do you mean you're gonna?
Bro, I don't even know, bro. This week has been rough. It's making me rethink.
Bro. 1 week should not make you change your strategy, bro.
No, fair enough. Fair enough. No, that's understandable.
Dude, I feel bad for you. These comments are fucked. Bro, I got cooked, so I guess whatever. But I don't really give a fuck.
Thought bro was cooking. Try KWT, bro. I have to, bro.
Dude, the Kulik theory. Dude, I told you that I made my. I told you I named mine the Nickwick theory, right?
Yeah.
That shit's. I low-key thought I was cooking for a second too, but okay. Now, this is what you're gonna do. Kulik theory. Next day, cook.
All right, bro. I'm
I
finna
swear,
cook now, bro.
let me watch you cook. Let me watch you cook.
Let me cook. All right, this is something that I was taught by Mr. Kim, right? And Zay and everybody else. This is what we're gonna cook. So basically, we're just looking for high time frame gaps. Oh, look at that. We have an hourly fair value gap. Oh, what do we have here? Going 15 minute. What do we have? Oh.
Someone said, "Who is Mr. Kim?"
We have the sweep of liquidity inside of a high time frame gap. Going the 1 minute. Oh, what do we have? A 1 minute inversion fair value gap. Most people would have entered here. Look at that. Boom. This is our rejection block. Enter. Stops at the low. This should be your pivotal point. No. This is it. Oh wait, no. I would have entered here.
You were actually the liquidity right there, bro. That was actually wild. That was an insane stop rate.
Okay, now we go up from here. Yo, this. Are you fucking, bro?
That just re-swept 5 times. Wait, what day is this? Is there any news? Is this a Monday or a Friday?
This is a Friday.
Dude, okay, it's a Friday. It's a Friday. Oh god.
All right, okay, we're cooking.
Q, it's a Friday though. Like, it's gonna be on Prop Board now. You can't really like. Okay. I'm seeing the comments right now. Q, go to next week. Delete the trade. Go to next week. Go to a Tuesday, like a random Tuesday. Okay, give like high time frame to low time frame bias. Like lock in like 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, and try and cook.
All right, the weekly it is bearish. The weekly's bearish. Okay, drop it onto the daily.
Wait, is the weekly bearish? Wait, go back to the weekly. What do we just mitigate? Order block? No?
Yeah, technically.
Go to daily.
Daily's also bearish.
Daily, short time frame bullish. Short time frame bullish.
Right, and then the 4 hour.
Short time.
4 hours also bearish. So what does that give me? Bearish confluences, right? So then we go on the hourly. We're waiting for. Oh, what the fuck was this week? We're waiting for.
Okay, can I say something?
What's up?
If I was trading today, I'd be bullish, just because, like short-term bullish.
Bro, Cammy,
like,
thank you for the
unmitigated PDRs.
Thank you, G.
So.
Okay, fair enough.
Short-term buys, long-term sells. So you could like trade up to those levels, or just wait for those levels to get hit. But I'd be bullish today.
Okay, hold up. Quick theory. We have a sweep of this liquidity. What do we have? 15-minute rejection. This is our rejection block up here.
There you go. Nice reaction.
We tag this 15-minute gap. Go on the 5-minute. What do we have? A 5-minute rejection block up here. Yo. Oh my gosh, bro. At least my bias was bright, bro. Whoever had a bullish bias, bro, you would have got smacked. Sorry, Nick. You would have. I think.
Just play it out. No. I was saying short-term bullish.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
Just wait for. Because think about it, that daily mitigated PDR is still unfilled. Go to the next day.
Yeah, this is cooked.
Eventually, we're gonna have to fill that daily, but okay. I'm assuming we did it overnight.
All right. Go on the daily.
Go to daily.
Daily's still bearish to me. I can't even lie.
Yeah, see, there's the bullish run that went away. But okay, yeah. No, for sure we're gonna be bearish, but the daily fair value gap's about to get hit.
Yeah.
But look at that resweep on the 4 hour, bro. That's clean. Very clean.
Let me see. Alright, so wait. Daily's 4 hours. 4 hours bullish, but we have SMT at the highs. Oh, Nick, your mic is
Dude, I would
actually
just
like
short.
it's loud. Hold up. Hold up.
Here, I'll go.
Alright, hold up. Okay, so now we have SMT at the highs. SMT at the highs. Wait. No way, we're actually just bullish.
We still have the daily for value gap, bro. We can respect it.
Alright, wait. Alright, let's see. Hold on. I'm bearish. Watch. We're actually gonna dump from here.
That's it. We just, I mean, the short already happened, I think. That's, yeah, there you go.
This is like right here, entry here. Boom. Stops the high. Target like the 15-minute liquidity level here. There we go. Okay, break even. Can we get this up, please? Oh my. Yo. Oh!
Dude, you had the order block. You had the order block. You can't go break even. You have the order block protecting you.
Yeah, I know, but like, bro.
Like, it was a good trade. It was early break even. You gotta trust. You gotta trust those order blocks. Get respected.
I think I found the strategy, bro.
Hey, W trade though.
W trade,
W
bro.
trade though.
Ah, fuck.
Not bad.
All right, Nick.
All right, cook up one more time,
Okay,
then
one
I'm gonna
more.
leave. I
One
want to
more.
see you catch one banger.
One more. Wait, someone's calling me. This is no caller ID. Hold up. Okay, never mind. I guess it ended it. All right. Go on the.
No, that was actually a pretty solid trade though.
Go on the daily. Daily's bullish. Go on the 4 hour. 4 hours also bullish. So now we're looking for longs. Waiting for a sweep of liquidity. Okay, or not. I'm bullish here. I'm waiting for high time frame to get mitigated. Okay, look at that. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here. Now, go on the 5-minute. Can we cook? Okay, we come down lower. I'm bullish bias. Oh my gosh. Hold up. You come down, sweep out the slow. Yo, we're. Yo, hold on.
Yo.
Okay, wait, hold up. Am I
Here,
tripping
let
or
me
what?
wait real quick. Go to the 4 hour. Let me just show you something. So I would have been bearish today, just because we 4 hour CSD pre-market. No reason to go higher. We already mitigated the daily fair value gap, so I would have been bearish today.
Hold up.
Dude, you're getting
Hello?
spammed right now.
Yo, Stu, quit
Oh.
trading. It's over.
Yo, what
It's over. You have to understand. You switch strategies every single day. It's over for you. Just accept it. Your genetics are inferior.
Yo, what the
Did
fuck?
he find your phone number?
Yo.
That's wicked,
I'm cooking
bro.
right fucking now, bro.
Did you get what I was saying though? Why we're bearish? 4 hour CSD and we respected the daily.
This one right here.
That's why I was bearish. Yeah. And then go on the daily. Look at the reaction off the daily.
I see.
You gotta cook up after that one. I gotta stay for a cook. I need to see you cook one more, bro. Come on, one more dub, and I'm out of here.
I actually gotta cook. Oh my.
I'm about to sleep for the next like 5 hours on this butt bed back. So.
We're bearish. Let me see. We're bearish. Hold up. All right. This is my order block. I'm limiting here. No. Okay, hold up. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here. Boom. Drop it down to 5-minute. What do we have here? 30-second. Oh, look at that. 30-second inverse fair value gap. Stop loss here. Sell here. 5 minute at the high. Stop loss at the high. We're chilling. This should work. This should work. We should see lower prices here. I'm not even lying. We should see lower prices here, chat. Oh my god. There we go.
Where's TP? Where's TP? At the low?
Yeah. Are you fucking serious?
Dude, you get stop hunted so much.
Alright, bro. I think it's wraps.
All right, boy. I'm gonna dip out. I'm gonna text you tomorrow though.
I got you, G.
Be safe, bro.
Of course, bro. See you soon. All right, bro. I think it's time to quit. Dead ass. I think the guy was right. I believe that it's time to just quit. What do you guys think? Like, bro, I'm getting stop hunted, bro. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Oh my. Oh no, we're going back to Shinobi's thing, bro. We're going back to Shinobi's thing, bro. We're going back to Shinobi's thing, bro. Literally, mark out midnight opening. Go on the 5 minute or the last leg before midnight. The last leg before midnight. Which leg is that, bro? Here? Full on reversal here. Hold up. Oh my gosh. I'm actually cooked. Use the first 30-minute midnight and swing grade. Wait. Alright, bro. I give up, bro. We're going back to Miami, bro. I'm just gonna LARP with a bunch of day traders, bro. Fuck it. Fuck it. DoorDash, bro. I can't DoorDash anymore, bro. I can't be in the Matrix like that. I can't be in the Matrix like that, bro. Okay, hold up. Wait. No, wait. I think he said mark out 10 a.m. open. Wait, what if like we do the same thing here, right? We mark out the last swing point. If this high to this. Here. And see which one it hits first. Alright, bro. I give up. I believe that it's time to just, like, wrap it. It's time to just wrap it, bro. I'm being so serious. I'm just gonna quit, bro. Fuck it. I'm bullish. This is my pivot point here. We're bullish here, chat. There we go. All right, perfect. Easy. Literally easy ass trade, bro. Trading's I'm actually just a LARP. Like I lose on purpose. I literally just lose on purpose. That's all that is. Oh, we're bullish. Okay, buy here. Oh my gosh. Bro, I think I'm just gonna sell a course, bro. I'm just gonna sell a course on like taking the opposite signals on me, bro. Fuck it. I'm done. I don't think I'm actually going to be a profitable day trader anytime soon, bro. Fuck it. I'm actually being so serious, bro. I literally top ticked that too, bro. I literally top ticked that too, bro. Oh my. Alright, bro. I'm dead ass. Like, I just need to order some Taco Bell right now and just munch it, bro. Cool. If you only do one R, all you need is 50% win rate, 1 minute, 5-minute trend, no bias, no draw. Quick try it for like 30 trades and stay on the 1 minute, enter on the displacement candle. The 130 trades per day, try it. Bro, I don't even know what a fucking displacement now plan. Like, bro. I'm just gonna wait for fucking inversion, bro. Boom. Boom. Okay, we're back on track. We're back on track. We're back on track. Actually, we're back on track, bro. I'm just trading inversions, bro. Fuck it. Alright, sell here. We just inverse this gap. Alright, bro. I just tried shorting this, bro. Oh. I'm actually gonna crush the fuck up, bro. Fuck me, bro. What is this? Watch this video. Wait. Bro, I'm not rage baiting. I'm just shit at the trading. I'm not rage baiting. I'm literally just shit at trading.
Stream, and I would just like fake that I got.
Oh wait, wrong thing. Oh my god, wrong thing. I'm just shit at trading, bro. Oh, wait, no. It's not in here. It's over there, actually. We'll get hurry. Alright, bro. Let me see. We're bias is bearish. Go on the 1 minute here.
So it's not here. It's not here.
Okay.
Can you use the phone?
No.
Fine. I'll play.
Bro, the time I go shorts, bro, it just reverses on me, bro. The time I go shorts, it literally just reverses on me. Bro, it literally just... What's up, Alex? Oh my gosh. Pommy, stop coming in here.
I wanna go.
No, stop coming in here. Go away. I'm stressing out. I'm stressing out. 15 minute. 15 minute is bearish. All right, know what? I'm doing the opposite of what I think, bro. Dead ass. I'm doing the opposite of what I think. I think we're bearish, so we're probably going to go bullish, bro. I'm looking for longs. You've got to be fucking kidding. All right, we have a 2022 model here. You got to be fucking kidding. Are we got inversion for value up here? There we go. Oh, thank God. I was about to say, this trade better fucking save me, bro. Oh my God, this inversion. Oh, thank goodness, bro. Oh, I was about to say, bro, that would have pissed me the fuck off, bro. I can't even lie. Boom right here. Stop loss here. Bro, beautiful fucking trade. Beautiful trade, bro. I can't even lie. Ah, beautiful trade. Next. All right, I'm doing, dude. That I literally said the opposite of what I was gonna do. I literally said the opposite. All right, price is bullish. I'm looking for shorts. I'm bearish bias going into the day. Sell. Oh my gosh. All right, shorts again. This is good. This is good. My stop loss is at this high. Are you serious? Let's make it higher highs and higher lows. Okay, like you're so. Why are you impulse trading? Yeah, we inverse your inverses bro. Let me join. Try this all, bro. Trade order blocks, bro. I don't know anymore, bro. I don't fucking know anymore, bro. I'm gonna like I just wanna like. Oh my God, bro. Who's looking at my stream, bro? Who's looking at my stream? Cool, I think you're a teacher, bro. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. I've tried everything. I've tried every strategy there is possible. I've tried every strategy, bro. Alright. Daily. Honestly, wait, go on the 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish. 4 hours bullish. We have a big rejection block here, though. We have a big rejection block here. Oh my. Bro, we're literally bullish, bro. The time I go bullish, it goes shorts. I'm buying here, bro. Stop it slow. There we go. I'm literally not fucking trolling. Y'all, you guys think I'm fucking trolling. I'm literally not. I'm actually trying. Dead ass? Let me lock in. Alright, go on the 4 hour. The 4 hour is bullish, right? We're breaking highs. We have a I'll take it. I'll show you guys my thought process. I will tell you guys my thought process right now. So basically, where the frick is the thing? So right here, we have a high, low, higher, higher low, breaking above this high. So right now I am bullish price action. I want to see longs, okay? So if I'm bullish on the higher time frame, then everything else on the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute, I need to look for confluences that we are going to be bullish, right? So now we look for longs. And just look at the slower time frame wise, it's bullish. All right, we have a 5-minute tag. Can we get this 5-minute fair value gap or 1-minute inverse? All right, buy here. No way. There we go. There we fucking go. There we go. See how like my thought process was like there? See how like I was right about my bullish bias? Literally that. That's literally that. There'll be no sunlight. Let me join. I'll give you the sauce. Bro, what sauce, bro? What sauce, bro? I've learned everything, bro. Chopped as fuck? How am I chopped, bro? Am I actually... guys, I need you guys to be honest. Am I actually chopped? Full... No. Yes, unfortunately. Yes, a bit. Bro, I'm not fucking chopped, bro. Wait, who was the one that wanted to join Mojo? Hold up. Hello?
Yo, bro, what you saying?
Oh, you're British.
I'm British, bro. It's like 3 a.m. down there, but I'll give you a quick source real quick, yeah. But fair value gaps and all that bullshit don't work. That's why like most like traders are unprofitable. Like, I promise you, I'll backtest them for like 2 years. They do not work, bro. Like, get a Fibonacci level, yeah. From like, let's say you gotta play sessions, innit? Go Fibonacci's, put your sessions on. Fibonacci retracement 0.786, or there's always a retracement there.
Okay. Hold up.
And like for confirmation, make sure like it taps in, gives you a good like impulse up, and then enter it. Your like stop loss should be like really low, and then just you want to take out previous highs. But like session plays are the most important.
Okay, so go on the...
Just like find like then from the top to the bottom, put your Fibonacci tool there.
0.786. Here we go. Alright.
Alright, now play it out and see what happens when it taps back on that zone. Yeah, but I'm giving basic source, but like someone's like, you gotta start from somewhere, innit? Man, if you actually want to like find proper imbalances, it's all like in the delta and it's all in the order flow. Don't look at fair value gaps. That's all bullshit.
Okay, we're tapping it.
Look for the retracement. Wait, later on. So it broke it on that.
Oh, look at that. We have an inversion fair value gap.
Bro, fuck fair. Oh, bro, if you keep trading fair value gaps,
Bro,
you're gonna get nowhere, bro. I promise you're not gonna get anywhere, bro. Like banks, all banks do, they don't have graphs on their screens. Like all they do is they have orders coming in and coming out. They don't have any graphs, bro. Like fair value gaps do not work at all.
Yeah, but this...
If you want to,
Oh, sorry.
well, you
Go
got to
ahead.
back test it. If you want to find the real imbalances, it's all in the delta. Yeah, it's the difference between the bidders and the sellers. So the high amount of bidders, that's where the imbalances are, and then kind of like price has to tap back into the zones. But fair value gaps do not work. Like banks and stuff don't have like graphs on the screen. They just have order flow, and that's it.
I see.
I promise you, but I worked at a bank for like a summer internship for 2 months. That's how I started trading. And all they have on their like desks and stuff is just order flow. They don't have any graphs, bro. Like fair value gaps are just a myth. Like you can keep backtesting them, you ain't gonna get anywhere. Like the 0.786 level is a Blackpool level. That's why like it should reverse there, because there should be a lot of sell limits for banks there. But like the most important thing is session plays, isn't it? Because like sessions, each session does their own thing. So make sure like you have the sessions on. But like fair
got
value
you.
gap, there's no imbalances there. And if you actually want to look at proper imbalances, you need to look at order flow and delta, and that's it. Don't make it overcomplicated.
All right, fair enough.
Right, but I'm a dip, yeah. But good luck, yeah.
All right, see you soon, G.
In a bit.
Q rejection blocks on our wicks. Q, if you follow this this bullshit, then that's your answer why you're profitable. No, I'm trying, bro. The thing is, 1-to-1s are like, bro. Like, you gotta have a high win rate, bro. And like, if I lose like 5 in a row and I make 1, I'm still down. It's just like it doesn't add up for me, bro. It just doesn't add up. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so look at that. What do we have here? All right, no, I got this. Okay, right here, but we have a low, a low, high, broke the low. We're bullish. I pick up those broken pieces till I'm bleeding, but that don't make them right. It's bullish, guys. Bottom tick. Bottom tick. Bottom tick. Bro, I got, like, bro, this shit is easy, bro. Bottom tick. Bro. There we go. There we go. All right, stop loss can go here. Ease. Oh. Hold up. At least my boss was right, bro. I give up, guys. GG's. I quit trading, bro. All right, guys. I'm about to dip. I'm gonna get some Taco Bell. I'm gonna go get some Taco Bell. Fuck it. Get some Taco Bell and come back stronger than ever. Cause I'll see you guys all tomorrow, bro. Yeah, join the Discord. Join the Discord if you guys want to help me, bro. Please. Use my code too, bro. I'm poor. I have to eat Taco Bell. I can't have like those fancy ass, rich ass people dinner, bro. Please. I'll see you guys all tomorrow, bro.